What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video. And today this video is going to be about JustPlay. A lot of you have been commenting and wanting to know about conversion rates and how they determine how much you are going to earn from the app. So in this video I read to you directly from JustPlay, explaining how they do their things, and pretty much that's what this video is about, to push more information to you guys about JustPlay and how they do things. So with that being said, let's get this video started today. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video. Everybody, welcome back to another new So I'm not going to do much talking in this style of screen video, but I screen recorded a short video of me going through the JustPlay app and just reading how they calculate how much to pay out to people. And so when I read it, it was based on United States users. However, I explained how other users of JustPlay from other countries may be able to see their conversion rates for how much they are going to get paid. So the next video is just a short, like 4-minute screen recording of me talking about the app, and I'm on the app telling everybody how JustPlay calculates how much to pay everybody. So that being said, let's go into this camera angle. Alright, so basically this is what JustPlay says and how they determine your coin amount. So it says, the JustPlay loyalty program ensures users to accumulate loyalty coins through gameplay, which can be subsequently exchanged for users' local currency. The selection method to determine the conversion of loyalty coins to locate currency for each user takes into account the following variables: digital advertising service auction bids for ad impressions, proprietary fraud scoring, achievements in games, and time spent in games. These variables collectively help establish the rewards that the user receives. To further elaborate on the selection method to determine the conversion of loyalty coins to local currency, the data reflects the conversion experiences of all United States users who registered during 2023 between January 1st and March 31st for their activity from the creation time until May 10th. It is important to note that these likelihoods are not guaranteed for users' conversion rates, that conversion rates differ across countries, and the rates applicable in the United States may not be applicable in your country. So for the users above, 2.7% likelihood of 1 million coins converting to $17. For users above, 2.96% likelihood of 1 million coins converting to between $13 and $17. 5% likelihood of 1 million coins between $10 and $13. 9.7% between 8 and 10. 10% between 6 and 8. 15% between 4 and 6. 10.58% between $3 and $4. 13.5% between $2 and $3. 17% between $1 and $2. 14.3% of 1 million coins converting between 1 penny and $1 USD, and a 0.33% likelihood of 1 million coins converting less than 1 penny. The information provided in this document is solely for informational purposes and should not be interpreted as a guarantee or commitment on our part, is what they're saying. It says they strive to provide accurate information, however these conversion rates are subject to change at their discretion. They strive to continuously update their revenue projections to ensure that most accurate data is possible. By providing this information, they do not assume any liability for the user's reliance on these conversion rates or any potential consequences resulting from the reliance. So basically what they are saying is that these conversion rates that I just read and showed everybody on the screen, it may or may not be a full guarantee, but that is basically a full breakdown of how they do things and how much they pay out based on likelihoods or chances, percents. So, and they do not assume any liability if any of us use this information as an official amount, but this is pretty much their estimation of how much you will earn by doing what they said. And it's effective of January 1st, 2023. Talks about the users in the United States. So it does not talk about other users in different countries. So I guess everybody can kind of use the United States measure and compare it to how much you would earn over, say, in Europe or Denmark, to be exact. And hopefully this helps you guys. This comes straight from the JustPlay app. And if you guys would like to read this for yourself, those of you who are in Europe, if you're using the app, go here and it might actually tell those of you who are in like different countries, it might tell you something different than a US user like myself. So, and if that is the case, let me know in the comment section below in this video, and we can pass the information on to more users of this app so that everybody knows exactly what's going on. But so yeah, if you would like to find this for yourself, you just go to the JustPlay app, go up here and click these three dots, and you want to click loyalty program rules, and then there it is. I'd like to say thank you to all of you for just coming back in 2024 and tuning into these videos and tuning into the JustPlay videos. And I continually see people watching all the other videos as well, so that's great. And I cannot thank everybody enough for watching the videos, supporting the channel, liking the videos, putting comments below, all the people that ask questions in the comments. It's just really helpful for me to learn more about the app, and it is helpful for new viewers who find the video. They're able to go to the comment section and able to find some other advice about the app and other things about the app that I may not speak about. So thank you to all of you guys, and thanks for tuning into this video today. And if you like this video, please drop a like on this video. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. That way you guys can see notifications in real time when I drop videos or any type of post. So again, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see everyone in the next new video. Peace.